Hey guys, I hope you're well. Yeah, so we're gonna continue with graph theory using Networkx and Python and NumPy. Okay, cool. Yeah, so guys, on a side note, I would really appreciate it if you do subscribe to the channel. So if you love what you see again, guys, please subscribe. Please share the videos with your friends. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm gonna have to start importing the libraries that I need. So import Networkx as nx, then import matplotlib.pyplot, this plot, right? And then NumPy. It's np. Right, so cool. So I'll go graph. It's n20, right? And then so g1 that's equal to nx complete graph, right? Oh, sorry, n, right? And then g2 is equal to nx dot complete graph, and then n again, right? Cool. So v1 that's equal to g1 dot number of nodes, and so that's essentially the number of vertices. Yeah. And then so edge 1 is equal to g1 dot number of edges, right? So number of edges as well. So yeah, number of edges, right? Okay, cool. So I want to do a conditional test for isomorphism. Okay, so okay, just type in v1, that's that, and then e1, so 190 edges, right. So a conditional thing. So if, right, nx dot is isomorphic, right? So g1 and g2, right, and that's equal to true, right? So yeah, print yes, the graphs are isomorphic, right? And then else print no, they aren't. Right, bravo. Yes, the graphs are isomorphic. Cool. Right. So now what I need to do is I need to do the adjacency matrix as well. So add, then matrix, right? And then so that'll be equal to nx to numpy array g1, right? And it's gonna be a big matrix anyway, so I'll just execute it, but I'm gonna actually let me just execute it, right? So Swiss text 60 lines, so I'm not gonna bother, it's just too long, it's too big, so yeah, let's just leave that. Okay, and right, so that's the adjacency matrix, right? And then the characteristic polynomial, so np.poly, right? The A matrix, right? So that's the characteristic polynomial. Characteristic polynomial. Right, there we are. Very untidy, but hey, here we are. Right, and then what I need to do now is I need to show you the graph. So nx.draw, right, and then g1, capital G1, right, and with labels, right, that's equal to true, right, and then font weight, that's equal to bold. So my string there is bold, right, and then plot.show, right. Here we are. So that's our graph. Okay, cool. So yeah, let me see if I can squeeze those lines. Just show you. Nah, it's too late now. Yeah, but anyway, this is it. Okay, yeah, it's just to show you isomorphism and characteristic polynomial, and also the plotting the graph as well. Yeah, but anyway, if you found this helpful, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe, and please do share the videos with your friends. Yeah, um, yeah, I would really appreciate that. Okay, cool. So have a lovely one, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.